how to schedule send a text message on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then here you can compose a new text message, or you can open up your existing text conversation. In here, type in your text message. Then on the side here, touch and hold on the send button. Once you touch and hold, it will open up the schedule send. In here, you can choose a suggested time later today at 5 p.m., 9 p.m., or 8 a.m. Or you can pick your own custom date and time. So here I pick the day, and then tap on next, and then here I will pick a time. So I'll select 10, so 10:46, so it'll be 10:47. Okay, so tap on set, and then tap on send, and that's it. So you can see there is a schedule icon right next to it. This is the schedule send icon. It will automatically send once the time hits 10:47 today, which is shortly now. It won't take long before we get to 10:47. But that's it. That is how you can schedule send a text message on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. And that's it. Here you can see as soon as it hits the right time, the message gets sent automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.